How to make money with Transcribeme. So, making money with Transcribeme this year is pretty much beginner friendly. So, if you're comfortable with basically just listening carefully and typing accurately, Transcribeme can be a pretty good way to earn, let's say, a side amount of money. So first of all, just go into your preferred browser and search for Transcribeme. Once you open it up, you will enter their official website. You can take a look at their features and what they're pretty much just made for over here. But if you want to go and sign up, go ahead here to the top right and press on login. And expectedly, since you want to make money, you can go here to the freelancer login. But it's usually just the same since you're going to sign up for an account. Once you press on login, you will see this new tab. So you're gonna have to sign up over here in the bottom right corner. So once you've created an account, it's pretty much just an English transcription test, which pretty much just checks your grammar, punctuation, and listening skills. So once you pass, you will get access to short audio files, which is usually around a minute long. You can transcribe directly in their platform, and pay is typically per audio minute. And while the rate starts modest, it's pretty much consistent and reliable for new transcribers. So to earn more, focus on accuracy and formatting because high quality works unlocks better paying tasks and special teams like legal or medical transcription. So use good headphones, work in a quiet place, and of course have a good mic. And of course, follow Transcribeme style. They have a guide you can closely follow to avoid rejections. Since payments are also sent via PayPal, once you reach the minimum payout, you will be able to withdraw. And many beginners treat it as a flexible side income rather than a full-time job as well. So you're gonna have to put that in mind as well. So with practice and speed, your hourly earnings can improve over time. So just go ahead and sign up and you should be able to eventually start earning money in Transcribeme as a freelancer. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.